Deep within a forgotten garage, a legend lay dormant. Once a symbol of speed, now just a shadow of its former self. Rust gnawed at its body, glass broken, tires flat, a silent testament to time's relentless march. But some stories refuse to end. A young boy with eyes full of wonder stumbled upon this forgotten beauty. He saw not just decay, but potential. A spark ignited, a dream of bringing this magnificent machine back to life. The journey began. Hours turned into days as dedicated hands meticulously stripped away years of neglect. Every dent, every scratch, a challenge met. The engine, once silent, roared back to life with renewed power. A vibrant red coat, a promise of rebirth, slowly covered its frame. New life breathed into every curve. With new tires and gleaming lights, the transformation was nearing completion. A masterpiece reborn. Then, the moment of truth. Lights flared, illuminating perfection. The garage door slowly opened. Bathed in sunlight, the supercar emerged. A breathtaking display of power and elegance. A true phoenix rising from forgotten scrap to a roaring soup. A testament to passion, perseverance, and the magic of revival.